The cow or the cat?
Cat. Remember the cat came back?
Was he born in a taxi?
Huh?
Yeah, born in a taxi. Plop, here I am.
This song's better than he does.
Or Tula Tula, will you marry me?
What was that about?
I don't remember. Huh? Alright, ready? Old Mr. John had troubles of his own. He had a yellow cat that would not leave home. He tried to give that cat away, but the cat came back the very next day. Now you guys gotta help me on this one because everybody said the word but. But the cat came back. The daddy was on him, but the cat came back the very next day. The cat came back. He would not stay away. Oh, he gave it to a man who was heading out west. Told him to leave him with the onesie the best. But the train had hit a curve, and then it jumped the rail. The soul came back to tell the gruesome tale. But the cat came back. They thought he was gone, but the cat came back the very next day. The cat came back. He would not stay away. They gave him to a man going up in a balloon. They told him to leave him with the man in the moon. But the balloon, it busted, and everybody said 10 miles away they picked the man up dead.
Kyle, Nathan, not in the house.
But the cat came back. They thought he was gone, but the cat came back the very next day. The cat came back. He would not stay away. Away across the ocean, they did send that cat at last aboard an ocean vessel that was taking water fast. The storm did grow, the wind did blow, the ship began to toss. 2,000 people on that ship, and every soul was lost. But the cat came back. They thought he was gone, but the cat came back the very next day. The cat came back. He would not stay away. Now the man around the corner said he'd shoot that cat on sight. So he loaded up his shotgun with nails and dynamite. And he waited for that cat to come around. 97 pieces of that man was all they found. But the cat came back. They thought he was gone, but the cat came back the very next day. The cat came back. He would not stay away. Okay, last verse. The cat got discouraged and thought the thing to do was to take a vacation and leave them feeling blue. So he took them a trip to 7 foreign cities. Came back 6 months later with 7 little kitties. Bye! The cat came back, the bunny was gone, but the cat came back the very next day. The cat came back, he would not stay away.